Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how we propagate money plant through cuttings. Yes, we can grow such bushy and healthy money plant from cuttings only, and I will tell you the secret of growing such healthy plant. So let's start the process. I have taken a cutting and a tub full of garden soil mixed with compost. You can take garden soil mixed with compost or mixed with sand only, or you can take coco peat also. Money plant is comfortable in all types of media. But while growing money plant through cuttings, one thing you should take care of that do not put the whole stem into the soil or water. You can think that if you put a long stem into soil, it can grow more long, but that is not the proper way. You have to cut through the nodes. Yes. What are the nodes? Nodes are the points from where the leaves of the money plant grow. So you have to look for the nodes. See? These are the nodes from where the leaves have come out. So you have to cut through the nodes and you have to make several cuttings for getting such bushy money plant. The more cuttings you put into the soil, the more bushy your plant will look. So let's start this process now. First of all, we will moist the soil with some water and make sure the drainage of the pot is well, otherwise the water will get stuck and the roots of the money plant will get damaged. Now I will start cutting the stems. Look at the node. Yes, you will cut through this node, and from a long stem you can get several cuttings. Now you can put the cuttings directly into the soil, or you can also keep them in water as well. Look, I had also put a cutting in water before a month, and now you can see several roots have come out. It is no problem in sustaining both in soil or water, but don't make the mistake of replacing it from soil to water. You can replace it from water to soil very easily, but never replace it from soil to water. And one thing I should tell you, the money plants growing in water would have softer leaves as compared to the ones growing in soil. Now it's time to put the cuttings into the soil. Place the cuttings literally on the top of the soil and not deep anywhere, which is different from the conventional method of planting, whereas the stems with or without roots are placed 2 or 3 inches deep hole. Just place them on the top of the soil. Place the nodes. Look at the node. Yes, place the nodes just on the top of the soil, just like the way I am doing this. So follow this way carefully. So the propagation is done, and soon the leaves will come out and it will look bushy and healthy like the one I already have. Now after propagation, keep this plant in a partially sunny and partially shady area, because that is the most preferable weather for good growing of a money plant. The plant can sustain a high amount of sunlight, but one must remember that scorching rays will burn the leaves. And one more thing I should tell you, that never overwater the plants. Most of the new gardeners have a tendency of overwatering the plants. You should check the soil. If the topsoil is dry, only then water the plant. Watering a money plant once in 7 or 10 days is perfect for summer season because the soil also needs to dry up between two watering sessions. But again, the gap cannot extend so long that the soil starts to crack up. So check the soil. I hope now you have learned the method of propagating the money plant, and give it a try and let me know how it works for you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy planting, and we will meet in the next video soon.